Today I'm starting a new Django 3 project tutorial. This video is an intro and I'm going to install Django framework, create a new Django project and create a new Django app. The first my step is to create a virtual environment for my project. I am using the virtualenv package, but you can use the pipenv to do the same. I am opening the folder for my project and open here the terminal. Then venv is the name of the current virtual environment. -- python parameter is the needed Python version. It will be Python 3.8. Then I have to activate created virtual environment with the source command. And let's check Python and pip versions. Okay, I'm creating a new folder for my Django project, and let's say it will be an app folder. Make dir app. Then I change directory to the app. And here I will install Django framework. Pip install Django. Django is installed and now I have to create a new Django project. I can do it with the following command: Django admin start project. Django says that I have to provide a project name, so the project name will be Block Engine. And we can see that Django created a new folder Block Engine with files of the new project. Now I am navigating into it and open it with my editor. cd Block Engine. I'm using the Atom editor. So I have to open this Block Engine folder in Atom. Dot means the current folder, app Block Engine. And you can see that I have here two Block Engine folders. The first one is the parent Block Engine directory and the second one is the child directory with the same name. The parent Block Engine directory is just a container for the whole project, and the child Block Engine directory is a folder with the settings of the project. We can already begin to implement our project with the files and the structure that we have already at the moment, but we should take into account that any Django project consists of applications. You can consider Django applications like modules or plugins, but in Django terminology, they are applications or just simply apps. Each application is an isolated part of the functionality of our project. For example, a commenting system or a payment system or an authorization or maybe a chatbot of your project can be applications. Each Django application is almost a completely separate code with its own logic, with its own HTML templates, with its own CSS styles and JavaScript. Each application is literally the folder and it can be easily copied and pasted to another Django project with Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. And right now I'm going to create such application. And now I have to change directory that contains the manage.py file. And in terminal I'm using the command python manage.py file, start app, and then I have to specify the name of the app. It will be blog. And now we can see that Django created a new blog folder with the application files. The next video will be about routing and handling of a user's request and about creating a response to a user.